If you can't factory reset your Android phone successfully, this guide will walk you through the possible reasons and effective solutions to resolve the issue. Part 1. Why is my Android phone not letting me factory reset it? A factory reset may fail due to several reasons. It includes a forgotten screen password that blocks access to settings, Google FERT protection requiring account verification, Android system issues such as bugs or corrupted files, or an incorrect reset method caused by brand-specific recovery steps. Part 2. How to fix can't factory reset Android phone issue. Try these solutions if your Android phone won't factory reset, starting with basic troubleshooting and progressing to advanced fixes. Method 1. Restart Android phone. This method is especially useful for fixing issues when settings freezes, reset fails, or the phone acts abnormally after an update. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Step 2. Tap Restart and wait for the phone to turn on completely. Step 3. Open Settings System Reset Options. Try the factory reset process again. If your phone is frozen and does not respond, you can try a force restart by holding the power button for several seconds. The exact method depends on your Android model. Method 2. Remove Google account. This method is recommended if you can unlock your phone and want to securely reset it before selling or giving it away while avoiding Google account verification issues. Step 1. Open Settings on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Step 3. Select the Google account connected to your phone. Step 4. Tap Remove Account and confirm your choice. Step 5. Restart your phone and try the factory reset again. Note: if you are locked out of your device, you may not be able to remove the account manually. Method 3. Reset Android from recovery mode. This method is useful for resolving Android issues like forgotten passwords, frozen screens, inaccessible settings, and system crashes. Step 1. Turn off your Android phone completely. Step 2. Press and hold the recovery mode button combination. Common combinations include power plus volume up, power plus volume down, power plus volume up plus home buttons. Some older Samsung devices. Step 3. Release the buttons when the Android recovery screen appears. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to navigate. Step 5. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Step 6. Press the power button to confirm. Step 7. Choose Factory Data Reset or Yes. Wait for the reset process to complete. Step 8. Select Reboot System Now. The steps may vary depending on your phone brand. If your phone only restarts instead of entering recovery mode, check the correct key combination for your specific model. Method 4. Use Find My Device. Find My Device helps when you cannot access your phone, such as forgetting your screen password, losing the device, or being locked out. It requires an internet connection, a signed-in Google account, and Find My Device enabled beforehand. Step 1. Open Google. Find My Device on another phone or computer. Step 2. Sign in using the Google account linked to your Android phone. Step 3. Select the target device. Step 4. Click Erase Device, confirm the action, and wait for the phone to be wiped remotely. Method 5. Check battery and storage. A factory reset may fail due to low battery, shutdowns, storage issues, or system instability. To fix it, charge the phone, remove accessories, restart the device, free up storage if possible, and try the reset again. Method 6. Update Android system. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap System or System Update. Step 2. Select Check for updates, download, and install the available update. Step 3. Restart your phone and attempt the factory reset again. Method 7. Repair Android system with professional tool. If your Android phone still cannot be factory reset, the problem may be caused by system issues such as corrupted firmware, failed updates, or serious software errors. An Android system repair tool can help diagnose and fix these problems, restoring normal device functions before attempting the reset again. Step 1. Launch Android Repair on your computer and access the repair options. Choose System Repair from the main screen, then select Android Repair to move forward. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer with a USB cable. Once the device is successfully recognized, click Repair Now to prepare for the repair process. Step 3. Fill in the required device details, such as your phone's brand, model, region, and carrier information. After confirming the information, click Start to continue. Step 4. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to boot your Android device into download mode. For some Samsung models, the program may require entering Odin mode instead. Step 5. After detecting the required mode, Android Repair will obtain the correct firmware package for your device and begin fixing the system. When the repair is complete, your phone will restart automatically, and issues preventing a successful factory reset may be resolved. Part 3. How to factory reset Android phone with Coolmuster Android Eraser. Coolmuster Android Eraser provides a secure way to reset Android phones by permanently deleting personal data and preventing recovery, making it ideal for users who want to sell or give away their devices. Step 1. Download, install, and open Coolmuster Android Eraser on your Windows or Mac computer. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. If USB debugging is disabled, follow the on-screen instructions to enable it and allow the required permissions. Once your phone is recognized, click Continue. Step 3. Click Erase and select the desired security level from low, medium, or high. Confirm your choice by clicking OK, then type Delete in the confirmation field. Click Erase again to start the data removal process. Step 4. Follow the instructions provided by the program to complete the factory reset process through your Android phone settings. After the reset is finished, complete the initial setup to use your device again.